What is up, everybody? This is Brandon on Brandoncoin back. It's March 26, 2018, and the only news going around right now is apparently the Nvidia CEO says they're trying to boost the production because of crypto miners. Well, of course, you know, crypto miners are buying up a lot of graphics cards, but I was surprised that this just actually released today. And apparently it says Nvidia must increase its production of graphic processing units to address a shortage caused by cryptocurrency miners, said the company's chief executive on Monday. The California-based company's GPUs are highly sought after by both gamers and crypto miners due to their parallel processing power and surge in crypto mining. Well, we already know all that. He noted that we're sold out of many of our high-end SKUs, and so it's a real challenge keeping graphics cards in the marketplace for games. We have to build a whole lot more. We've got to come closer to the demand of the market, and right now we're not anywhere near close to that, and so we're just going to have to keep running. Well, I'll post the link for this down below. It's from the coindesk.com, and I mean, you can see right here, Bitcoin's down, Ethereum's down, everything's down. So I can't believe they're just saying this now that they have to boost production. If anything, I would think that they're actually catching up on production, but whatever. What do I know? Alright, and just checking on the daily hash rates and mining rates. A lot of people are asking me if I'm switching over to Ravencoin, and I have not actually even looked into it at all. I like mining what I know, and I know Equihash, I know Dagger Hashimoto, Ethereum, Zcash, that kind of stuff. So I don't want to necessarily go and mine some unnamed, no-name coin, because I'd rather kind of mine these and stack them. Apparently right now you can make a lot of money really fast with Ravencoin. I may do a little review and put one of my small systems on it. I don't know, I'm not switching everything over to it though. Just starting out at the top, the GT 1030 is only making 16 cents a day, 201 kilohash, right at 2,000 satoshis. The GTX 1050 is making 41 cents a day, 170 sols on Equihash, or right below 5,000 satoshis. The GTX 1050 Ti 4 gigs doing 51 cents a day on Ethereum, pulling 13.5 megahash, 6,100 satoshis per day. GTX 1060 6 gig doing 81 cents a day on Ethereum, 21.5 megahash, or right under 10,000 satoshis per day. The GTX 1080 8 gig doing $1.32 a day on Equihash, 560 sols, or right below 16,000 satoshis per day. The RX 564 gig doing 56 cents a day on Dagger Hashimoto, pulling a solid 14.8 megahash now that I got a new BIOS mod on it. This is not my Pulse edition, by the way. That's the XFX model. Right at 6,700 satoshis per day. And then rounding it out, the RX 580 8 gig doing $1.16 a day. Dagger Hashimoto, 31 megahash, right at 14,000 satoshis. So that was just a little rough breakdown, and for anybody that's new to the channel, this is each individual one of my cards. I don't do duplicates. Like, I do have 6 of these 1050s, but I'm just going to show you what one does, so that way you can take this knowledge and apply it to your system. You should be making similar to what I'm making, if not more. So, you know, just take that with a grain of salt. This is just to kind of find out where we're at and if you're in the right range. All my profits, or well, all my rates went down today. They went up just barely yesterday, but now they went right back down. So probably had something to do with the fact that like NiceHash went down, or I mean, Bitcoin went down in price. So everything just went down with it. But oh well. I was just cruising over on Newegg, and I saw that they have the MSI Radeon RX 570s on sale. And you get a mouse with it for $368. This is an 8 gig model. It's the overclocked Armor edition. I've not seen these this cheap in a while. I don't have the money to grab one of these right now, but I thought I should put it up there and at least, you know, show somebody if they are looking for them. So link for these down in the description below. And then just rounding it off, this is my Reddit page, the Brandoncoin Reddit. If you want to get your rig featured, I try to feature one every single day at the end of the daily mining news video, and this one is submitted by Batman Miner. This is his garage slash bedroom mining rig. If you look right here, he's got what looks like some crazy contraption in his garage, and I don't know if it looks like it's pulling air through a cooler or something. I don't know. It's lit up and it looks really cool. And he's getting 241 mega hash out of that system. And then he's got a little system in his bedroom pulling 14 mega hash. So really cool setup there. Let's see here. Let me click back off of this. Go back. Let's see what he's actually running. Celeron CPU, 60 gig SSD, 4 gig DDR4, a Thermaltake Smart 500 watt power supply, Windows 10, and an RX 560. Okay, so that's all you have in the bedroom rig. And in the garage rig, he has an 8 GPU, Core i3 SSD, 750 watt power supply, EVGA Supernova. Okay, so he's got 2 power supplies. And what kind of cards? He's got 2 RX 580 8 gigs, 2 RX 580. Okay, those are the Nitro Plus, 2 580 Sapphire Pulse, 2 570 MSI Armor, and an RX 570 Sapphire Pulse to round it off. Oh, I know, an RX 570 4 gig Asus Strix. So no monitors, just headless HDMI dummies, and using Chrome remote desktop with Chromecast to monitor. So awesome setup. It looks like it's been running steady for a while now. This is not something that it doesn't look like you just threw this up in a night. So thank you for submitting this, and I really do appreciate that. I'm gonna go ahead and boom, bump that up. So if you do want to get your rig potentially featured, go ahead and jump on the Reddit. If you don't have a Reddit account, sign up on there and post up your stuff. Make sure to include some pictures and some description. So thank you for that. And yeah, so I'll see y'all on the next one. Adios.